3, 2, 1. It's open time! Hello everyone! Hello Fierces! It's another Sunday and welcome back to our channel! Alright, so for today, very quick lang yung ating vlog and it's going to be about home cleaning. So, if you're interested with that, watch this. Alright, so here's a trick that will help you to remove yung mga hair. Lalo na kunwari meron kayong mga cat and dogs sa bahay. I'm sure makaka-relate kayo dito. Yung dumidikit siya sa mga pillow nyo. So, here's a trick that you can do to remove those without washing. Kasi pag pinasok nyo naman to sa washing machine, ang mangyayari, makaklag lang yung machine nyo. Look, it's all there, oh. So, all you need is a thick scotch tape and then do this. And then, voila. Alright, so we will open the first bag from Lazada. Hindi pa kayo katulad ko na pag nagbubukas kinikilig kapag nagbubukas ng mga package. Parang hindi nyo alam kung ano yung laman. Parang ganon yung feeling. Ganon ba kayo? Ako kasi, ganon. And to think, parang may idea ka naman minsan kung ano yun. Pero pa still, diba, may factor ng kilig and anticipation kung ano yung laman. Okay, so the first bag, let me just fix myself here, is alam nyo to, it's a nose hair trimmer. Diba? So, iti-try natin to one of these days. And let's see kung okay siya. And for the second, maingat ako maggupit kasi minsan, yung pakagupit mo, nagupit mo na plain product, parang flop. Parang you waited for it for sometimes 1 week, tapos, OMG, na-cut mo lang. Ang flop nun. Tapos, di ka na makakaangal kasi syempre, fold mo, diba? Dahil naputol mo siya. Anong masabihin mo sa seller? Sorry, nakat ko siya dahil engot ako. Charot. Ano to? Oh, yung mga happy birthday chuva. Mga greetings there. So watch out kasi I'll be creating something using this. And for the third bag, medyo mabigat to. Medyo may something fear ako. Parang basag siya. Alam yung ganong feeling na parang ano siya? Kasi parang barag. Ah! Speaking of barag. Okay. To. Yung pang something ng project ko. So, it's the laminate. Okay? So, it's one of my project that I need to do. Watch out. So, here's a close-up of the nose hair trimmer. Parang promising siya. So, let me just put on the battery and we will start trimming our hair nose! So, ayan. It's called Show C. And what's amazing with it is it comes with a AAA battery na bongga, di ba? Pero looks like China naman yung battery. So, I'm sure mga twice or thrice nyo lang magagamit yung flap na yan. And, the verdict. Nakakakilit. Isa pa. Wait, Pque. Nakakiliti siya. Pero puputol niya, hindi siya masakit. Oh my gosh, isa lang. Oh, di ba powerful? Hanapin nyo ang buhok sa ilong ko. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!